How to find winning products on TikTok to sell. Now, everyone's trying to sell online, but most people fail because they pick the wrong products. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find winning products on TikTok before they actually blow up. So you can be early, not late. Now, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to spot viral products, validate them, and decide whether they're actually worth selling. Now, this isn't going to be guesswork. This is a step-by-step system that you can actually repeat again and again. So let's talk about what makes a winning product. So before you start scrolling like crazy, you do need to understand what you're actually looking for. A winning product isn't just something that looks cool. It will solve a problem, grabs attention instantly, and makes people think, I need that. It's usually something visually satisfying, slightly unique, and easy to understand within the first 3 seconds. If your product needs explaining, it's already losing. TikTok is fast. Your product has to hit instantly or it's game over. So, first of all, let's talk about how you're going to want to train your TikTok algorithm. Now, TikTok does not magically show you winning products, you have to train it. Start by searching terms like TikTok made me buy it or things like that. So, let's say we're going to write TikTok made me buy it. Okay? So, you can search that up. And once we search that up, as you can see, you start seeing a lot of products. So let's say we're going to go to this product right here. We're going to open it up. And as you can see, it's a quick little B-roll of a pretty cool mouse. Okay. And you can tell that they made it so aesthetically pleasing that the quick audience of TikTok actually gets accustomed to it. You get the point on how the advertisement should look, how it should actually catch a user. Now, obviously, we're going to get on products later. We're obviously going to go ahead and train our algorithm first. So go ahead, search TikTok made me buy it, click on 2 to 3 videos, watch it for a few seconds. We're going to do the same over here. Click on this video, watch it for a few seconds. Go back, click on this video, watch it for a few seconds. And now we're going to go back. We're going to search another thing. We're going to search Amazon finds. So, all right, Amazon finds. And as you can see, you get Amazon finds right here. You're going to search that up. And as you can see, it's going to give you all of these great Amazon finds. So again, we're going to do the same things. Click on the video, watch it for a few seconds, click back, click on the video, watch it for a few seconds, go back, do the same over here, go back, and do the same over here. So just like this, what you're going to enable your TikTok to do is it's going to learn your algorithm. It's going to learn what you actually want. It's going to learn what you actually like to watch, what kind of videos actually attract you. And obviously, once you teach it the algorithm, it's going to go ahead and give you the videos like that. So one final thing that I would like you to search is must have gadgets. All right. And if you search up must have gadgets, what you can do is do the same. Go ahead, watch the videos. And while watching the videos, do make sure to keep checking out the products. If a product catches your eye and it attracts you to buy it instantly, maybe that product is something that you should sell. Maybe that product is something that might sell pretty good in the market. So do keep those things in mind when you're creating an algorithm. Now, once we have created an algorithm, what you can do is you can go back, you're going to reload your TikTok page. Now, in most cases, it should adapt to the algorithm. If it doesn't, don't worry. All you need to do is just go over to search and search the same thing that I told you. So let's say I'm going to go with must have gadgets right now. I'm going to search on must have gadgets 2026 so we get the ones that are popping off the most. And of course, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll through any of these and look for videos with a lot of high engagement, especially the ones with tons of comments like where can I buy this or link please. So we're going to go ahead and check all of these out. Now, as we can see, this guy over here has a lot of engagement. All right. Now, this person is, telling us about some specific socket hole. All right. And as you can see, a lot of people are asking, send me the link, what's the name, what's the price, etc. Now, that's a buying signal. Also, do make sure to pay repetition or attention to repetition. If you see the same product multiple times from different creators, that is a very strong sign that it's trending. But here's going to be the twist. Don't go for products that are already everywhere. You want products that are starting to trend, not ones that are already pretty saturated. Okay, this is something really important that you do need to know. So, what you can do is you can actually check if other people have this product up, but realistically, I don't see any product like that. So, let's say I want to go for this specific product right here. Okay, now this is where the most of the people mess up. They will find something viral and jump in blindly. Instead, take this specific product and search for it on marketplaces like Amazon. So as we can see, it's a Zebronics socket hole. So I'm going to go ahead and search it up, Zebronics socket. Now, once we go ahead and do that, what it's going to do is it's going to give us all these power extension sockets, etc. We're obviously going to go ahead and search for this one specific one. Now, in the case you can't find it over here, don't worry. You obviously live in 2026 now, and there are much easier ways to do this. So we're simply going to come here. You're going to go ahead and take a screenshot of the actual, there we go. Once we've done that, you're going to go ahead and click on search using an image. You're going to paste that image right here. And once you paste this image, usually what happens is the product should appear. So it's a Zebronics smart Wi-Fi plug. All right. Now, as we can see, it is available on Amazon. So you're going to go up to it. And once you go on Amazon, you're going to check for the actual pricing, for the ratings, and how it looks. Okay. So the ratings are 4.1 and around 3,400 people roughly have bought it, which is pretty good. Those are pretty decent stats. And you can see it works with Alexa, works with Google, and a whole lot more. So this is a good and solid product to start up with. Okay. You're going to take it back to TikTok and search the product directly. All right. So we're going to come here. We're going to search over for Zebronics Smart Wi-Fi. All right. We're going to search that up. Now, in the case we don't see any other video, we're golden. We're good to go. And this is the only video that we have. This means we are good to go. Okay. You're looking for consistency, not luck. So check how much the product costs. If it's a good cost to source value, you should be good to go from there. And once everything is good to go, go ahead and start selling this product on whatever website you have, or maybe an e-commerce store you have. Okay. Also think about some perceived values, because some cheap products can be sold at a higher price if they look premium or solve a strong problem. So this, I could say you could earn a dollar or two above, because it is a pretty solid product. And remember, people do not buy products, they buy outcomes. Focus on what the product does, not what it is. So that's pretty much about it. Here's the edge most people don't have. They always look at the comments. That's where real insights are. All right. People literally tell you what they like or don't like. Second, follow small creators, not just big ones. Smaller accounts often find trends earlier. And third, don't fall in love with one product. Treat it like a system or a business, not a one-time win. So now you basically know how to find winning TikTok products before they actually blow up. So if you use this method consistently for yourself, you will be catching all these products early and you should be good to go. So that is how you're going to find products to sell from TikTok. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.